lot of confusion on what part number the belt tensioner is for the supercharger belt on the 0304 Cobra. It's actually BT63. It uses the same one as the Lightning, but it is exactly the same as you can see from the picture. So that is the part number. You still can get them new. They're all over the internet. I got mine on Rock Auto, and eBay has them as well. You can see here what it looks like installed, and then I grabbed a new gatorback belt, and it seemed to have fixed the issue pretty good.
Alright, well here now I swapped the tensioner. As you can see, there is new, and I put a new gatorback belt on. It seems to be much quieter. You hear the blower better now rather than whining. It seems though like there still is a slight squeak, and I think that's actually coming from the alternator bearing. I spun it freely, it spins okay, but it probably could be a little better. So that'll be my next step. But overall, it's about 80% better, I'd say.